Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you one of the most anticipated offsite constructed homes of the year. In order to stay up on the very latest homes available, on occasion I will feature a home with photos that are 100% renderings, even though I know I'm probably going to get lit up in the comments. I think people are turned off by renderings because how do we know the company is going to build anything that looks even remotely like their fancy drawings? Well, the truth is, we don't. You always have to be on the lookout for the bait and switch, folks. However, on occasion, a company will deliver on a concept so close it's almost impossible to distinguish between rendering and actual build, which gives me hope for some of the other companies who have yet to build an actual unit. Not that long ago, Nestron completed one of their Legend series to be shipped to Canada, and they just completed one of their viral sensation C2s to be shipped to the US. I first posted about Nestron last year in a video with 100% renderings, and it's time to revisit because they're officially building real homes, and spoiler alert, they look cool. What I'm going to do is show you the real C2, check out some of the features, and give you an update on pricing, so let's do it. The Nestron C2 is one of the most clickbaited thumbnails in the tiny prefab home space, and for good reason. It looks incredible. There are a ton of videos claiming this home is built by Tesla or that it's $15,000, neither of which are true, but it is in fact a real home. And they've just proven that. It's the real deal. I did touch briefly on this home a few weeks ago to debunk those myths I just mentioned, but it's time to take a closer look. The thing about the Nestron C2 is the actual house, without all the clickbait lies, is still a very click-worthy home, but that doesn't mean I'm going to name the video Reasonable House with a reasonable price that you can get in a reasonable amount of time, because nobody's clicking that. To defend all my previous and future videos that have and will include renderings, take a look at this. Here's the rendering for the C2, a very futuristic two-bedroom home that looks like it could be out of a sci-fi movie. And here's the actual build. They look exactly the same. I don't know who we need to credit first, the graphic designers or the builders, but bravo, this is an exact match. For reference, this is a rendering I did of the C2 this morning, so making something that looks so close isn't quite as easy as it looks. So stupid. I don't know why all this got me so excited, but it did. And if you're only here for the house, I'm getting there. The C2 from Nestron is a 280 square foot home that comes fully furnished so you can move in the same day it arrives. I like the idea of a fully furnished for a space this size because with dimensions of around 28 by 11 and those curved walls on the end, it likely isn't going to be easy to find anything that's going to fit well in the space. So let's not bother. Let them handle it at the factory. Quick backstory on Nestron. They're a Singapore-based company innovating the small footprint space using technology to create a futuristic living space for a modern lifestyle. Their homes are built with a steel frame and offer a 50-year structural warranty. I've been following them for a while now, and it's exciting to see homes coming out of their factory. The C2 has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and an open living space, and they say it can accommodate 3 to 4 people. The good folks at Nestron were kind enough to provide the world a video showing the exterior and interior of the fully built out C2, and it would be a shame if we didn't take a peek. Arguably one of the most polarizing exteriors on the market has officially been built, and I am excited to hear what people think about it. I personally like the look of the C2 a lot because it's something different, but I feel like it might be a love it or hate it scenario. What I like about the exterior of this home is it looks like it's from about 2050, and I think people who like futuristic tech stuff will be fired up about it. In this space on one side of the spectrum, we have the cozy cottage style home with a peaked metal roof and some sort of wood siding. Then gradually we work towards modern, and off the charts we have the Nestron C2. There has been a trend towards the more modern look, so why not take it to the extreme? If you're going to do it big. Even though these homes aren't actually linked to Elon Musk or Tesla, I think they do have a similar look to the Tesla products, and those appeal to a lot of people, so they might be onto something here. A few noteworthy features on the exterior of the C2 are smart lock big windows, LED lights, and curved edges that set it apart from a few of the others in the space. Is the C2 the only home in the space with a curved end? No. Actually, it isn't. You'll also see it on the Mighty Studio from Mighty Buildings and on the lineup from the brand new contender Azure Printed Homes. However, those homes only have the curve on one end, so the C2 could be the only one that has it on 2. Adding to the look, they've got an LED light that circles the front of the home to light up the outside if you're coming home late or if you just want a bit of a flex. Hard to say how much light it's actually going to put off, but a very cool look nonetheless. On a home this size, one thing you want to look for is a sufficient amount of windows because if it's a small, dark space, it's going to feel closed in. More light, more livable. The C2 has a large window on one side of the living room with a tall skinny on the other, so no shortage of natural light there. check. The second bedroom has one window. The main bedroom has a similar window and one that follows the curved end as an added bonus. There's a window in the bathroom and a skylight in the living space, so at the end of the day, in the windows department, I think they've pretty much got it sorted. Another benefit of the C2 that needs to be mentioned again is it comes move-in ready. The website says each unit is fully manufactured in one piece, ready to install in plug and live format. The construction technology is patented and has received the CE approval. If you're wondering what the CE approval is, a quick Google search will tell you that it's a certificate of compliance that allows a product to move and be sold freely throughout the European market. It proves that the product meets the environmental, safety, and health requirements for that area. On top of that, they can and do build for North America. The model we're currently looking at will be shipped to the United States, and the previously featured L2 was shipped to Canada. The interior of this unit is described as an open concept with a bigger living room area for more entertainment and fun time activities with your loved ones. The first thing I noticed about the interior of this C2 was the color scheme. White walls, wood floor, and black and blue accents on the window frame cushions and appliances. I'm a big fan of the addition of the blue to this home because it gives it a little splash of color while maintaining the futuristic look. On the first L2 shipped to Canada, the interior was orange, and between the two, I definitely prefer the white with black and blue accents. The bedrooms are located on either end of the home, which is great for a little bit of separation when needed in a small space, and the living room and kitchen are almost directly in the middle. They've added storage solutions wherever possible, which is critical because if you haven't noticed, people seem to collect stuff and it's always nice having a place to put it. One thing I really like about the C2 is the second bedroom can be configured with a set of bunks, which allows room for a family of 4 to live in this home. I see a lot of comments on my videos about smaller homes that they don't work for a family, so if you're one of those people looking for something that will accommodate a family of 4, here you go. Even better yet, the bathroom has an enormous soaker tub built for 2. No, it doesn't. In the bathroom, you will find a shower, sink, and toilet, which get the job done and doesn't take up too much space away from the living area, so I think it works. The base price on the home starts at $59,000. However, they do offer some enticing options, so let's see what happens if we deck this thing out. Buyers have the choice of 3 different levels of solar, in-floor heat, and AC. With every single option selected, the price jumps to $84,524. Nestron says with interiors, exteriors, and colors that can be personalized, the Cube series is dynamic and unique, just like a Rubik's Cube. C2 provides the perfect value for money real estate investment for both private and commercial use. I've been waiting quite a while to see what the C2 would actually look like, and I was shocked at how similar it looks to the original renderings. I think they're going to have a lot of interest in their homes because, like I said, they're different, look cool, and are by far the most futuristic looking model currently available. I've asked my contact at Nestron to keep me in the loop where some of these first homes are going and when they'll be getting there so I can check them out when they arrive. As soon as that happens, keep an eye out for an update right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.